What's up guys, welcome back to Dive In Garage. Today I'm going to show you how to save some money and rebuild your brake caliper. Let's dive in. Alright, first things first, we need to get this piston out of there. So I'm going to try to get some crest air, go to the brake fluid inlet and see if we can get it out. Woo! Well, that came right out. Nice and easy. And of course all the brake fluid is going to dump its guts everywhere, so be ready for that. So I'm going to go dump this out. We'll take this over to the bench and we will get this thing rebuilt. All right, we got the caliper cleaned off, took it to the hose, rinsed it out a little bit. And on the vise here, I went ahead and pulled the bleeder out. And we got the piston. And so now step one is tear down. So we got the piston out just a second ago. I'm gonna get this dust boot out. There's a gasket in there. And then after that, I'm gonna use, this is just a Brillo pad. And I'm going to just clean this up real good. You really don't want to remove a lot of material here, but you just really want to get it nice and clean. So that's what I'm going to do. I'll do the inside a bit. It doesn't really matter so much, but I'm going to make sure and get this surface here all the way around and then the back. Behind that, right down in here, there's a little O-ring, so we can fish that out of there. See that right there? Bam, that's what you're going for. Alright, so I just went to clean this thing off. If you can see down in there, it's looking better, but I want it to look a little bit better than that. So I'm going to keep going. I might get out some steel wool and then give that a shot. See if I can get that thing looking really good. Alrighty, not too bad. Just gonna hose it off again. So you can see down there, it's not quite perfect, but dang, it looks way better than when we started. So I'm gonna hit this with a coat of paint and I'll bring it back. Alright, got our caliper back from paint. And I didn't even notice until I took the new parts out. There's actually a small O-ring down in there. So we're gonna use two small O-rings, put them in this side, and two of the larger O-rings, and two of the bushings in the larger sides here. Alright, let me catch you up. I took the piston out and I fit the dust boot on first and then fit the piston in. I did still use the brake pad spreader to get it nice and straight. I'm trying to get this wonky dust boot seated. And then let's see how badly I damaged the paint that I just did. Oh, it's not too bad. I mean, there's some dings and some chips around, but I'm gonna call this good. So there you go. That is how you rebuild a caliper. The only thing we need to do still is to get these little bushings in, and they'll just press in there, no problem. But otherwise, that's it. I hope this helps you maybe know what to expect when you're trying to rebuild your calipers. All right, hey, well, if you liked the video, do me a favor, hit that like and subscribe button. If this helped you at all, I'd appreciate a like. Don't be afraid to get out there and dive in your next project. See you next time.